Hello there. Today we are going to do a review on counting atoms in compounds. A perfect website to go to would be the one at the top here. That one will give you some very visual references. Oh, that didn't make much difference at all, did it? Let's try this. Alright. So up here, if you go to this website, it's not linked in for some reason. Just go ahead and copy it. And it will show you, once it loads, how to count atoms, what a coefficient is, that's the number on the front here, and what a subscript is, that's the small number down at the bottom. So subscripts can be on the outside of parentheses or on the inside next to one of the elements. So this particular subscript only applies to the hydrogen atom here, not the nitrogen, because it's next to the hydrogen. If it were to apply to both, it would be outside the parentheses like this. So this means that there is two of these NH4 compounds. Alright, and then it goes through and shows you how to do your atom count here, and then you can go through, and there's some more examples here that can help you with that. Be very helpful, especially if you need a refresher. So you can go ahead and answer what you can to the best of your ability up here. I'm more concerned about this, so if you put in an A as an element, and according to this there's no subscript or coefficient, so that would be 1. Then we have oxygen, and it looks like there's also 1, and hydrogen, and there's one of those as well. So you have a total of 3. Okay, I'm more concerned with the fact that you can correctly do the number of atoms in the compound for each molecule. Okay? So go ahead and do that and submit that, and you have a fantastic day.